It's like magic. Even looking at it, I feel like I'm drinking some sort of magic potion. It tastes incredible.
The age-old question of should I buy a juicer or should I buy a blender and which is better has finally been put to rest. We're going to show you how to make the all-in-one absolute ultimate juice smoothie in the same machine that's high in protein, it's high in fiber, and it's got a green juice as a base.
This is super tasty. It looks incredible, and we're going to use our new favorite kitchen appliance,
Nama C2, and this is a low speed, low rev masticating juicer that also is a blender. It really is awesome. So into our hopper, this is a hands-free juicer, just like the J2. We're going to go in with some cucumbers, like literally farm veg that's in season right now. So lots of greens. Green things, obviously the most amount of chlorophyll, so they're really good for oxygenating your blood and purifying you, and they're really, really fantastic.
We have some pak choi. Just rip it up. Pak choi actually is number 3, isn't it?
Number 2 in the nutrient density aggregate index, which I'm sure you're very familiar with.
In they go.
That means that it's like number 2 in the nutrient density. It's the number 2 most nutrient dense food. Pound for pound. We're going in with some chard.
Okay, this is going to be quite bitter, so we're going to try to sweeten. One way of balancing bitters by adding in acid. So we're going to add 1 whole lime. We're going to put in the skin and all.
Okay, and we're finally going to pop in 2 apples just to sweeten it. We just quartered them just to make it a little easier on the juicer. Okay, so pop the lid on. This is a hands-free juicer. We're literally just going to turn on the juicer.
You see the slow revs in this. This is beautiful. Hands-free. We can do handstands. We can stretch while our green juice is being made.
There's a million different things you can do while you're juicer. Like I can give you some ideas, like having a shower, making your porridge, getting changed, doing a handstand. You can do a million different things. Do a quick workout while your juice is being made. Oh, that was a crap handstand. But you get the idea. Literally, it'll make your juice for you within a number of minutes, which is really revolutionary. Like, see, it's DIYing it, which is fantastic here.
Beautiful.
And this is, as we said, we're using a base of greens. Greens are one of the healthiest things. And we are sweetening with a bit of apple, and we've got a bit of lime just to kind of enhance the flavor and bring that kind of differential flavor to it.
Ooh, look how rich and
that is green gold. Like, this is literally liquid lightning right here. Like, this is just packed with electrolytes and enzymes and green goodness that's just going to enhance your immune system and your health in every different way.
Time to add fiber and protein to our drink.
Now check this out for cool. So we literally, same base, I lift off the top, my amazing cold press juicer, and I pop on the base for a high speed blender.
So the beautiful thing about this is it reduces counter space. You don't need 2 machines, you have one that does it both. This is the Nama C2, my new favorite kitchen appliance.
Okay, so into our smoothie, we want a base of berries. So we've got some strawberries and mixed berries.
Some hemp seed to bring our protein content in. Okay, we've got a handful of almonds in there just to up our protein content and plant diversity.
We've some ripe avocado for some healthy fats. And we are to add, this is super fun. So this is a little bit of blue spirulina. Not essential, but it is a nice add to it. So I'm just gonna add just a touch.
And this is gonna turn this into a blue smoothie, packed full of antioxidants. And we wanna make this look
well,
like
you
a beautiful
believe
drink.
it's gonna turn blue. I reckon it's gonna be purpley because you got the blue and the red, but we will see. You will see now shortly. Okay, we're gonna add oat milk as our base here. It's really just to provide the body, instead of a fruit juice, which is high in sugar, we're going with an oat milk to give a creamy base to it.
You can sweeten this with date if you do want to make it a little sweetener.
Boom!
Check this out for the texture. This blender is really good. This is a high-speed blender. Look at that texture for silky smooth. Look.
Wow.
I love the color too.
Now this is the part, when we call this smoothie the all-in-one, this is why. So we're gonna use a tumbler glass.
Get a little bit of coconut cream or coconut yogurt, and we're just gonna literally just douse around the
So
side.
this isn't absolutely essential, but this is really fun, and this is a kind of fun thing to do. So we're putting a little bit of coconut milk just to kind of for color.
Coconut cream.
It's coconut cream from just a tin of coconut milk.
And this is just providing contrast. Then we're gonna dip it in our blue spirulina.
And just create a kind of two-toned glass. So it's a glass with a little bit of blue. It looks like clouds,
Just
really.
turns it into a bit of magic. It takes the mundane into something beautiful.
Okay, so as part of our all-in-one high-protein, high-fiber, nutrient-dense smoothie, we are starting with our smoothie. I'm gonna half fill this with smoothie.
Oh, I love the color. Beautiful. And now we're coming in gently in with the green juice. We don't want to puncture our...
And what we're happening now is what's likely to happen is that the green juice will start to filter its way down and we get a beautiful...
This is so cool and psychedelic.
Okay, the moment of truth, the tasting. I know it does look like a modern contemporary art piece, like it really does look very novel, but this is amazing. Like, it is high in protein, it is high in fiber, it is nutrient dense. and it is a modern art piece. So here's to your good
Full of
health.
fresh greens from the farm.
Boom! Wow, that's like drinking liquid lightning. That's like electricity.
It's like magic. Even looking at it, I feel like I'm drinking some sort of magic potion. It tastes incredible.
Wow, that's really, really novel. Not essential now to do all the two tones which we've done, but really
love
just to
that.
show you that the Nama C2, it really is an amazing machine where you do have one base. It's ideal for every kitchen really, because certainly in my kitchen you can never enough counter space. So it has a cold press juicer and it has a high speed blender all in one. This recipe is quite novel, lots of greens, lots of high protein smoothies. The recipe is down below.
We love Nama. Do check him out. You know, the founder, Dan Sheen, came out and hung out with us. What a cool man. What a gorgeous business. Make incredible juices, and they're all about helping the world eat more plants.
It's got a 15-year warranty. They're a B Corp company, so all about sustainability. And yeah, if you're going to buy a kitchen appliance that wants blending and juicing, this is the absolute best one on the market.
Thanks, Mel, for watching. Do let us know if you do make this juice, and wishing you a wonderful day.
Cheers!
Bye.